Today's video, I'm going to show you some of the smaller attachments, the ones that don't take the extra auxiliary hydraulics. Just the basic little ones you just hook up to the machine and use. A bucket, the pallet forks, the trailer hitch attachment, the land leveler. And let's see how some of those work with this Honda gas-powered Chinese mini skid steer. How well will they work? Well, let's get hooked up and take a look at these things, and we're going to test them out today. I've never had a skid steer before. I just bought that baby little Chinese mini excavator last year just because I wanted it, because why not? So I saw the mini skid and I wanted one too. Hey, I want to pause for a minute, have a real conversation with y'all, and tell you about an idea that I had. So ever since I started uploading these videos, I get so many comments from people, questions about the buying process, where to buy from, who to buy from, how to ship, what machine's good, what machine's not good. And I have a lot of these questions too. Before I bought this thing, I had a ton of questions and I just couldn't find answers. And so I jump onto my Facebook groups, and there's so many of them. Chinese mini skid steers, Chinese mini skid steer here, Chinese mini skid steer there, mini excavators, skid steers and excavators. And you jump into see some of these groups, and not only do you have salespeople from some of the company bombarding you and hitting you up with private messages and then commenting on stuff, but you have paid actors, I think. I don't really know that, but I think there's some like Americans and maybe some people like not from China, just from other countries that just seem like normal folk like you and I, but they might be paid by the companies to say stuff. I don't know. That's what it seems like to me. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure who to trust in these groups, who's real. I think you guys know by now that I am real. You know, I actually bought this like I've told you guys. So what I've decided to do, let's all get together and chat in a Facebook group, which I just started tonight. I'm sitting here out in my shop cleaning up, getting ready to make another video. I've got some maintenance stuff to do and I'm going to film that. But I'm like, you know what? I really want to have some real conversations with you guys and interact and learn what you guys know. And then I share what I know, and then we can all kind of get together and we can make some good decisions on not only how to work on them, where to buy them, how to ship them, all that stuff. So anyway, just tonight I created a group. It's called Chinese Mini Skids and Mini Excavators Real Talk. Because it's real talk, and I'm not going to let all these salespeople in. They're not going to bombard you with stuff. If you got questions, ask. Maybe some of us that have these things can answer them for you from whatever companies they are. My first machine is a mini excavator I bought from, it's a Kimron that I bought from a local dealership here in Oklahoma. And I'm really happy with it, and I don't have any regrets buying from a dealership, even though I know it's a lot more expensive than buying from the manufacturer like I did on this machine. And this is a good experience too. What are your experiences? You know, I don't know. Let's all talk about that. Let's have a place to talk, because these YouTube comments, they're great, and keep the comments coming, please. I do my best to reply to everybody in a timely fashion and give some accurate answers to all your questions. But let's have a place, a forum where we can talk back and forth, post pictures, videos, whatever we've got. And let's get into it. So anyway, link in the description. And right here, you can read along the bottom. Chinese mini skids and mini excavators, real talk. So anyway, let's get back into the video. So I bought the little trailer hitch attachment, maybe 150 bucks, something like that. And I figure, that'd be dumb not to get, because I've got a bunch of trailers. Wouldn't it be nice if this thing could move them around? Can it move a car hauler? I don't know. So I've got an 18-foot car hauler. I've got a little baby 5x8 enclosed trailer. And then I've got this 18-foot flat pipe rail trailer, tandem axle. And I'd like to be able to move these things around. Now, I also have an 8.5x20 cargo trailer. I've got videos on my cargo trailer camper conversion toy hauler that I did with that. I haven't tested that yet. I'd like to see if this thing could pick it up. I don't know. but it'd be awesome if I could and I could squeeze in the tight spaces. So anyway, let's hook up this little hitch and let's see how well it does on the trailer. I'm going to do the 18-foot flat trailer first. Any other attachment, when you hook up, flip the two levers. Now it should be locked into place. Nope. Always check it. Make sure it locks in. Now it's locked in. Let's try it out. This is easy for this machine. Turn it into a tilt trailer. With the jack down, just keep it up high enough. Let's take it away. Want to go faster? Turn the RPMs up. I'd say that's a win. Look how easy it is to maneuver. I can move this thing anywhere I want to. So much easier than backing up a truck. Squeeze in between the pallets and this fence. No big deal. Okay, so with this, I could back this trailer back. I could drive forward this trailer anywhere I want to. Think about the tight places you could put this thing. I mean, you could drive it in between some trees and just like cock it off to the side. And you could put like a camper or something, if a small camper that you could pick up with this, you can put it anywhere you want to. Yeah, that's a win. Now you can make one of these, but why go through the effort of making one when you can just buy this and it's just done? So that's kind of my theory. So unhook it, and this is the only attachment I have that I could just pick up and set anywhere I want to, because it's not very heavy. Okay, on to the next. Let's do the land leveler. Let's play with the driveway with the land leveler. Now I really should have some fresh gravel on the driveway to do this, But I'm gonna just try this crusty old gravel with a whole bunch of sand and dirt mixed in. Let's see how this thing works. Been a couple days since I was using the land leveler on the driveway, but look at this. This is ready for a nice coat of gravel. Got it all smoothed out, but once it dried out, all the dirt and rock and stuff I turned over, well, it looks pretty solid, doesn't it? You know what else is really cool besides the driveway? The deer. See all the deer? They're eating corn. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that buck looking at us right now? And the babies? Okay, I'm done with the deer. Back to the driveway. This is the first time I've even hooked the bucket up to the machine. I actually drug it over to where it was sitting just now off the trailer when I got it out of the crate. So I've got a pile of dirt and I'm gonna see if I can scoop it. Now this is not easy dirt. This is a grassy hill. Let's see if I can do it. Maybe I'll try off the gravel. So this pile of dirt has been here for a few months. Obviously, you can tell by the grass growing through it. So I've got a pretty full bucket right here. Did forget to say one thing. Do me a favor. Like this video and subscribe. Go watch some of the other videos. It really helps me out a lot. I'm actually funding this and all the attachments that I really don't need. I don't know if you've gathered that or not, but I don't need all these things. I just want to do reviews on them. And I want one of my upcoming projects is to fix my yard. When it rains, dirt just washes downhill, fills the driveway. It's terrible. So maybe a retaining wall, maybe some berms, I don't know. I'm gonna do something with the machine and I'm gonna fix this stupid problem. But for now, I'm just gonna shovel some of this into the bucket and get rid of it off the driveway. Okay, full bucket of sand. Some of it really kind of damp, wet sand. I'm gonna go fill my trench I dug in my other video with the trencher. I'm gonna fill that, take some of that good dirt, and then bring it over here and put it beside the driveway. Projects. Oh yeah, full bucket of sand. No big deal. Man, I just came over here with that bucket of sand, poured it perfectly in the trench. I was so impressed with myself. Scooped up some more dirt. Got the dirt scooped. Sand in the trench. I forgot to press record. You guys will never see it. You won't know how skilled I am at dumping sand in a trench. Or scooping up dirt. So I'm gonna go take the dirt and go put it over here by the driveway where we need dirt. That's disappointing. I'm gonna try to push this dirt back in the trench. It's not perfect, but yeah, I'm gonna have to come back here and pack this a little better, because it's not totally packed, clearly. Yeah, a little rake and a shovel will have that looking tip-top, and neighbors won't think I'm as crazy. Well, we're losing daylight. It's almost dark, so I guess I'm done for the day. today I got to play with a land leveler. Now it would be a lot better if I had fresh gravel. So really all I did was churn up some dirt and gravel together and kind of level that out. But now I've got a level surface to bring a truck full of gravel in, and then I can use the bucket, 4-in-1 bucket, to try to spread that out, and then use that land leveler on the fresh gravel. I think it would work a lot better. I showed you the trailer hitch attachment, which is awesome. And we played with the bucket just a little bit, and dang it. I was doing some cool testing, had the bucket full of mud, not mud, dirt, that grassy hill that I had brought in a few months ago. And my battery died. Stupid battery died again. I've charged this thing 3 times today. I've been out filming all afternoon. It's Labor Day, and that's all I've been doing today, filming. Anyway, so I missed that, and then I forgot to press record when I filled in this trench at first with the sand, and man, I'm just tired. I'm done. Tomorrow morning, wake up at 5, gym comes at 6 o'clock, got to be at work at 7:30. I'll be back home by 6:30, 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Maybe I can duck out early and be home at 6. And then I can get back to editing. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, click that subscribe, click that like, comment. If you have any suggestions for me, see anything you like, don't like, you want to give me some hate, you want to give me some love, whatever you want to do, leave a comment down below. Besides that, again, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you all. More content coming on this soon, and enjoy your life in the trees.